Dear students, welcome to Dabad Academy. In today's session, we will present to you a very short, concise answer key for Rashtriya Military School Entrance Exam, Class 6 entry, which was held today on 19 September 2021. Before we move ahead, I would like to recommend to you that you connect with us on our Telegram channel, which goes by the name of Telegram/Dabad Academy. Once you have downloaded Telegram app, then you can just सर्च फॉर डाबड अकेडमी और वहाँ पर आप हमारे टेलीग्राम चैनल से कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं. लॉट ऑफ एग्जाम प्रिपरेशन रिसोर्सेज अवेलेबल देयर. एंड सेकेंडली यू मस्ट डाउनलोड डाबड अकेडमी ऐप फ्रॉम द प्ले स्टोर. Lot of free PDF resources, practice questions and quiz are available there. Now, before move ahead, I would like to remind you that this answer key is for set B. So what you can do is, you can pause the video और आपके जो particular questions हैं उनको आप match कर सकते हैं. Now, section A was for English. The answer for question number 1 is D part, which is deaf. Second, again it is deaf. For third question, again it is deaf. So that is the answer is like D for 3 consecutive questions. For question number 4, it was first A option. For question number 5, again it was A option. For question number 6 to 10, the directions was that choose the given options, the word which can be substituted for the given words sentences. For question number 6, the correct answer is B. For 7th, it is C. For 8th question, the correct answer is option number D. For 9th question, correct answer is B, clock room. For question number for question number 10, a person who believes in the existence of God, the correct answer is option number C. For question number 11 to 15, the directions were fill in the blanks with suitable words from the alternatives given below. For question number 11, the correct option is option number D. For 12th, it is C. 13th, the correct option is number D. Question number 14, A option is correct. I have given up eating meat. For question number 15, the correct option is option number B. For question number 16 to 20, fill in the blanks with conjunction from the options as given below. For question number 16, the correct answer is option number C. Question 17, you will still wait till I return. Alright, so you will wait till I return, right. Question number 18, the correct answer is B option, go at once or you will be late. For question number 19, the correct answer is option number D. For question number 20, dash, he is poor, he is honest. So correct option is option number B. Though he is poor, but he is honest. For question number 21 to 25, identify the parts of speech of the underlined words from the options given below. For question number 21, the correct option is preposition. For 22, it is C, which is verb. For question number 23, the correct option is C, which is adjective. For question number 24, the correct option is pronoun. For question number 25, the correct option is D, noun. In question number 26 to 30, we had to choose the word from among the 4 options which is similar in meaning to the given word. Similar means you will have to find out the synonyms. So for question number 26, correct option is B. 27, it is A. For question number 28, correct option is B. Question number 29, correct option is A. For 30th, it is option number C. Moving on to the next questions. Question number 31 to 35 was comprehension. Read the paragraph carefully and answer the questions that follow. In question number 31, B option, young boys and girls, will answer this question correctly. In question number 32, again B option will be correct. For question number 33, C option is correct. For question number 34, D, all of these is correct. For question number 35, C, skills is correct option. In case of question number 36 to 40, choose the words from among the options which is opposite in meaning to the underlined word. So basically you have to find out the antonyms. In question number 36, we have D option is correct, D for delta. In question number 37, it is C option which is correct. In question number 38, again C option is correct. 38 also C option is correct. In question number 39, we have B option. So B option would fill this correctly because you need to find out the antonym. And in case of question number 40, we have B option which is correct. Moving on to question number 41. In case of question number 41, fill in the blanks with suitable prepositions from given options. So question number 41, C option would fill it correctly. In question number 42, B option, Sonu has no love, dash music, for music. In question number 43, the boy ran, dash the dog, after the dog. In question number 44, the correct option is option number B. In question number 45, it is C option which is correct. Directions for question number 46 to 50 were: choose the correct meaning of the idioms given from the options given below. In case of 46, B option is correct. That you agree to each other, it means you see eye to eye. In question number 47, A option is correct. In question number 48, B option would be suitable. So B option is correct. In question number 49, A option is correct. Heart and soul, the whole of one's energy and passion. ठीक है, इससे famous to put your heart and soul in the work. In question number 50, piece of cake means something very easy. So here we finish our English portion. Moving on to the next question. This is general knowledge. So in question number 51, we have A option is correct. In question number 52, again A option is correct. In question number 53, again A option is correct. Which metal is the lightest metal in the world? So the correct answer is lithium. In question number 54, A option, due to the presence of chlorophyll. It's a very commonly used, repetitive question. In question number 55, so which is the highest civilian award of the Republic of India? So it is Bharat Ratna Award, which is option number C. In question number 56, B option is correct. In question number 57, C option, Naunagan, now Bhuj will be the correct option. In question number 58, we have B option which is correct, water. In question number 59, B option would fill the Olympic Games are held after how many years? Every 4 years. So it was a recently अभी finish हुआ है, तो I believe all of you have answered it correctly. In question number 60, which is the oldest landmass of India? So the Southern Peninsula, which is option number A, is correct. Moving on to the next question. In question number 61, arrange these states in increasing order of the length of their coastline. So question number 61, so D is correct option. In question number 62, A option would fill correctly, Vishnu. Question number 63, C option is correct. In question number 64, A option is correct. Where was the Azad Hind Force established? So it was established in Singapore. In question number 65, who is the founder of Google? So Larry Page and Sergey Brin, they were the founders who started Google. In question number 66, what is the main ingredient of glass? So correct answer is option number C, which is silica. In question number 67, which flower is white in color? So A option is covered. A option is correct, which is jasmine. In case of question number 68, which organ purify our blood? I believe this was a very simple question. So kidney is correct answer for 68. In question number 69, C option is correct, which is Andhra Pradesh. In question number 70, what is the name of ISRO's new humanoid robot that will go to the space next time? Okay. So question number 70, the correct answer is option number A. Moving on to the next question. In case of question number 71, so which city is known as the blue city of India? So which is option number C, Jodhpur. 72, the answer is A, which is Afghanistan. Question number 73, which award ceremony was hosted live recently? So correct option is C, which is Emmy Awards. Okay. This was a little bit of kind of current affairs question, because they have used the word recently, है ना. तो you need to just kind of track events कि कैसे events हो रहे हैं, then only it is possible कि आप इसका correct answer कर पाएंगे. Question number 74 में भी है, C option is correct. In case of question number 75, again C option is correct, Ivory Coast. In question number 76, who won the US Open men's tennis tournament 2020? Okay, so 2020 में से question पूछा गया, and the correct answer for question number 76 is B. In case of question number 77, A option is correct. For question number 78, option A is correct. For 79, option number D, flower bud, is correct. And in case of question number 80, it is C, which is economics. Moving on to the next question. For question number 81, who wrote our national song? Again, pretty easy question, and answer is D. In case of 82, B option is correct, Pran Kumar Sharma. For question number 83, D option is correct, which is China. In question number 84, which is the Secret Intelligence Agency of Israel, option number A is correct. For question number 85, which is the longest mountain range of the world? So option number B and this is correct answer. For question number 86, what is measured by anemometer? Okay, so this device is used to measure the speed of wind. So wind speed is used to, this device is used to measure the speed of wind. In case of question number 87, where is Satish Dhawan Space Center situated? So it is situated at Sriharikota. In case of question number 88, B option is correct, which is 6. In case of question number 89, D for diet. What is the Parliament of Japan called? So D option is correct. In case of question number 90, option number B. How many members are there in Rajya Sabha? So option number B is correct. Alright, now moving on to the next question. For question number 91, option number D is correct. Okay, I will just mark it here. So what makes our muscles? Usually proteins are mainly responsible for muscle building. In case of question number 92, B option is correct. For question number 93, A option is correct. For question number 94, which religion is the word Tirankara associated? So it is associated with option number C, which is Jainism. Bajrang Punia is related to which sport? So he recently won silver, I believe, silver medal. So wrestling is correct. For question number 96, again C option is correct. How many state and union territories are there in India after Article 370? And for question number 97, A option is correct. For question number 98, the Indian Ocean and the Pacific Ocean, which is option number A. This is correct. For question number 99, A option is correct. And for question number 100, option number, again, which color of the light scatters the most? So A option is correct. So that covers our GK portion. Now the next portion is of intelligence. question number 101, kilogram is correct option, which is option number B. In question number 102, so which word doesn't belong to other? So correct option is barber. ठीक है. So in question number 103, the correct answer is universe. So it was based on classification. Question number 104 to question number 106 are based on blood relations. So I will just tell you the answers. अभी हम उसको exactly जो कैसे होगा वो अभी डिस्कस नहीं कर रहे हैं. These questions are provided in Dawood Academy ऐप प्रैक्टिस के लिए. So you can connect with us over there. So B is aunt. So option number A is correct. In question number 105, option number A is correct. So our team has basically we have solved these questions in the background. अभी सिर्फ आपका आंसर की के लिए हम आपको असिस्ट कर रहे हैं अभी इसमें सेशन में. In question number 106, option number C is correct, which is father. Question number 107, number 3 is correct. In question number 108, A option is correct. Identify the figure that completes the pattern. So option number A is correct. In question number 109, so A is correct, which is B. B option is okay. In case of question number 110, the correct option is A. 3, 4, 5, 6. So option number A is correct. Basically in this question we had to solve this question using number of sides logic. In question number 111, A option is correct. Which number is on the face opposite to number having 1? So question on this dice portion came after almost 2014-15 में last time आया था RMS एग्जाम में. Then उसके बाद फिर आपका ये नहीं आया था. Then moving on to question number 112, C option is correct. So it was based on coding and decoding. Question number 113. So in question number 113, option number B is correct. ठीक है. This was also on coding. तो आपका जो letter coding था उस पर based question था ये. In question number 114, B option is correct. In question number 115, the correct option is option number B. It was based on number mixed coding. We have rope is coded as 6821. So it is also possible that this question was on substitution coding. Question number 116, A option is correct. In question number 117, we have D option. So D option is correct. For question number 118 to 122, so it was based on sitting arrangement. Question number 118, answer is option number A, H. For question number, option B is correct. So I just marked it correctly. For question number 118, A option is correct. In case of question number 119, the correct option is C, which is B. Moving on to the question number 120, we have so option number B, which is DB. This is correct answer. For question number 121, option B, which is C and H. So C and S means in this case it is represented by HC. This is correct answer. For question number 122, option A, which is representing E, is correct. Who is on the immediate right of H? For question number, in each of the following questions, 4 words have been given, out of which 3 are alike, while the 4th one is different. So basically classification odd one out, choose the word different word from the following. For question number 123, B option, bear, is correct. In question number 124, it is banana, which is option number D, which is different. In question number 125, we have C, which is potato. Okay, so because it grows under the ground, so that is the differentiation. In question number 126, C option, trouser. So sweater, shirt and jacket, all of them are worn on upper body. In case of question number 127, again C option is correct. Moving on to question number 128, which was arrange the given words to make a meaningful sequence. So अरेंज टू मेक अ मीनिंगफुल सीक्वेंस आपका चैप्टर होता है. सो वी हैव और स्टडी मटेरियल, उसमें भी ये काफ़ी डिटेल में इस पर प्रैक्टिस क्वेश्चंस दिए गए थे. तो वी हैव क्वेश्चन नंबर 128, ए ऑप्शन इज करेक्ट. In question number 129, C option is correct. In question number 130, C option is correct. In case of question number 131, statement was, in each of the following questions, a number series is given with one term missing. Choose the correct alternative that will continue the same pattern and fill in the blank spaces. For question number 131, so 37 is correct. In question number 132, 35 is correct, which is option number A. In question number 133, B option is correct. Moving on to the next page. Alright, as you move ahead, let me remind you again, really good exam resources are available on Dabad Academy app, so please don't miss them. Also make sure कि आप Telegram app download कर you search for Dabad Academy and you connect with us. As of now, on 19 September 2021, more than 1500 practice questions are available there. So make sure, if thousands of other students are using those questions for their practice, so you don't want to miss out. In question number 134, so we have in a certain code, again this question is based on coding. 134, the option number B, we have B for Bravo is correct. In question number 135, C option is correct. In question number 136, we have again B option is correct. Question number 137 to 142 are based on number series. Okay, so a lot of questions are asked from number series, letter series, or something as such. B option is correct 137 के लिए. For question number 138, C option is correct. Then moving ahead, we have question number 139. For that, option number A is correct, which is 24. For question number 140, A option is correct. For question number 141, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12. So if you identify the pattern, then option number A is correct. For question number 142, option number D will fit. Which number should come next? So D will come next. Question number 143 to 146 are based on letter series. So question number 143, correct option is option number C. For 144, correct option is D, D for delta. And for question number 145, B option is correct. Moving ahead, for question number 146, what is the missing letter in the series? So D option is correct, I believe. In question number 147, the directions were 147 to 150 are based on analogy series. Okay. So question number 147, we have B option, which is correct. Since petal is a flower, is a part of flower, so engine is a part of car. In question number 148, teacher school, which is option number C, is correct. In question number 149, B, B for Bravo, B option is correct. For question number 150, A option. So Nepal is a country, Kathmandu is its capital, Bhutan is a country, and Thimphu is a capital. So here we finish our reasoning portion. Now let's move ahead to our mathematics portion. So as you know, I just go through this one. Considerably as compared to previous years जो जैसे questions आते थे, this time it was a little bit easier, है ना? Mathematics was a little bit easier, but let's see. Once you join our Telegram channel, please comment कि आपका कैसा गया एग्जाम. चलो, now let's start with question number 151. Question number 151, cost of 6 cans of juice was this. What is the cost of 4 cans of juice? So this question is based on unitary method. For this, option number B is correct. 140. So I'll be doing this quickly so that कि वीडियो बहुत ज़्यादा लेंदी ना हो जाए. For 152, option number B is correct. For question number 153, C option is correct. For 154, it is D, triangle. For 155, C option, 30 degrees. What is the complementary angle of 60? So complementary angles are those angles, those two angles whose sum is 90 degree. It was a pretty easy question. Question number 156, D for delta, 125% is correct. In question number 157, C, a prime number, is correct. In question number 158, D, 12 is correct. In question number 159, B for minus 6 is correct. So subtract minus 4 from minus 10. So minus 6 is correct. In question number 160, A 4.5% is correct. Moving on to the next questions. In question number 161, A option is correct, which is 18. Question number 162, C option, 720 is correct. In question number 163, D, 0.1 is correct. Question number 164, so we have A option, which is correct. For question number 165, D option is correct. For question number 166, C option is correct. Question number 167, 843, which is D. If the divisor is this, quotient is 16 and remainder is 27, you had to use division theorem. उससे आपका आंसर करेक्ट आ जाएगा. For question number 168, B for Bravo is correct. Question number 169, D, 100 is correct. Question number 170, C option is correct. For question number 171, A option is correct. For question number 172, we have C option is correct. Which one of the following number is divisible by 3? So the divisibility rule of 3 says that the sum of digits should come in the table of 3. So this is correct. Question number 173, B option, 49 meters square is correct. For question number 174, again B option, 10 by 50 is correct, the smallest fraction. Question number 175, B, 72 is correct. For question number 176, C option, 90 degrees correct. Again it was a pretty easy question. Which of the following is a right angle? Question number 177, D option, 154 centimeters square is correct. For question number 178, we have 89999. Find the difference between the largest and smallest number of 5 digits. So it was an easy question. 99999 minus 10,000. So D option is correct. Question number 179, C option, 520 meter is correct. For question number 180, second option, okay, sorry, A option, second, the only even prime number is 2. For question number 181, C option, which is, okay, so question number 181, C option, 6 is correct. For question number 182, B option, which is 5, what is the value of x minus 15 is equal to minus 10? So x is a variable, minus 15 when taken to RHS will become plus 15, minus 10 are bad guys, plus 15 are good guys, so x का value 5 आ जाएगा. So this is the answer. Moving on to the next page, we have question number 183. Express as mixed fraction. It was such an easy question. D option, 4 upon 1 by 4 is correct. For question number 184, D option, rupees 20 is correct. So for 185, 4 upon 5, A option is correct. For question number 186, D option, 640 kilometers is correct. For question number 187, B option, 36.2 is correct. Write in decimal. For question number 188, the smallest natural number is 1. So natural numbers start with 1. So that's the logic. Question number 189, C option is correct. In case of question number 190, the correct answer is option number D. So this question was based on simplification. We BODMAS rule को use करना था आपको, and then you had to apply like division, multiplication, addition of fractions. In case of question number 191, B option, 83 is correct. Now moving on to question number 192. So C option is correct. 1 second is 1 by 60th of 1 minute. In question number 193, we have B option, which is correct, B for Bravo. In question number 194, C option, 30 km is correct. For question number 195, B option, again it is correct. For question number 196, A option is correct. For question number 197, A option, 125 degrees correct. Find the supplementary angle of 55. So the two angles whose sum is 180 degree, angle A plus angle B is equal to 180. So you could have placed angle A is equal to 55. So when taken to RSS, 180 minus 55 will become 125. For question number 198, option number A, which is 50 degrees correct. The sum of two angles of a triangle is 130 degree. So using angle sum property, 180 minus, okay, so angle A plus B plus C is equal to 180 and A plus B is equal to 130. So 130 when taken to RHS will become minus 130 and the third angle would be 130 degree. For question number 199, D option, which is 14 degrees correct. Again, it was a simple question. For question number 200, what is the greatest common factor of this? Okay, pretty easy question. So 6 is correct, which is option number D. Alright gentlemen, so here we finish our exact solution of RMS CET 2020. I believe आप लोगों ने अच्छा किया होगा. Now moving forward, I would again recommend कि आप Dabad Academy app को download करें. You connect with us on our Telegram channel. If you have any query, you can also WhatsApp us on the provided number. And if you like the video, then please make sure that you share it with your friends. And see you next time. All the very best.